Good morning. 4 new cases of COVID-19 were diagnosed to 8 o'clock last night, bringing the total number of cases in New South Wales to 4,028. There were 13,686 tests reported yesterday compared to 17,392 the previous day. But COVID-19 continues to circulate, so maintaining high rates of testing is really important, and we urge anyone with even the mildest of symptoms to come forward for testing. Of the 4 new cases reported yesterday, 3 are returned overseas travellers in hotel quarantine, and 1 is locally acquired with no contact with a confirmed case identified at this point. This case, a man in his 50s from southwest Sydney, was announced yesterday and has been included in today's official numbers. Contact tracing and investigations continue. Anyone who attended Woolworths at Campbelltown Mall on Thursday the 17th of September between 1:30pm and 2pm is considered a casual contact of this case and must monitor for symptoms and get tested immediately if they develop. After testing, they must remain in isolation until a negative test is received. Testing numbers have declined in recent weeks, and New South Wales Health is appealing to the community to come forward for testing right away if you have a runny nose or scratchy throat, a cough, fever, or other symptoms that could be COVID-19. This is particularly important in southwestern Sydney, particularly in Campbelltown area. If people don't come forward for testing, we can't keep the pandemic at bay. We're continuing to strongly encourage people to wear face masks when unable to physically distance, particularly in indoor settings and on public transport, to keep everybody safe. When taking taxis or rideshare, commuters should sit in the back and wear a face mask. To help stop the spread of COVID-19, if you're unwell, get tested, isolate right away, don't delay. Wash your hands regularly, take hand sanitizer with you when you go out. Keep your distance, leave at least 1.5 metres between yourself and other people, and wear a mask on public transport, ride shares, taxis, shopping and place of worship and other places where you can't physically distance. Locations linked to known cases and advice on testing and isolation and areas identified for increased testing can be found on our website. Thanks very much.